What's happening, people, or Minglaba in Myanmar language? So today I'm going to show you a very simple way to make Burmese egg curry. Really simple. I'm going to use the proper spice and everything, which is known as kallalay. So anyway, let's get our eggs on to boil. Got to boil them for maybe 5 to 8 minutes. Make sure that they're cooked inside, not too runny, not too hard. Then stick some oil in a pan and get it hot, and make sure you got your ingredients ready. So stick your dry spices in the oil and let them start to sizzle. But don't burn them, of course, and don't burn the oil neither. Next you got your eggs, put them in the oil as well. And we're going to do this so that they cook on all sides and get a bit browned. Don't forget to stir them, of course, because you don't want them burning on one side and not on the other. And next we're going to also put some turmeric in there just to make them a nice yellow, because white eggs just look boring, let's face it. Give them a stir as well, keep stirring that, make sure it don't burn. And keep stirring. Keep stirring some more. Look how yellow they are. They're looking nice already. Then you got your garlic paste, so stick some of that in there as well. Don't forget to give it a bit of a stir as well, but don't let it burn for the love of all things good. So that's coming along nicely. Stick your onions in and spread them out. Make sure they don't burn as well, because nothing worse than burnt curry, let's face it. So next put some salt on it, good bit of hypertension, raise your blood pressure. Now you want to add your spice in there, the Burmese spice. Give it a good coat on the onions, make sure there's enough so you got that flavour. And again, give it a bit of a stir, make sure it don't stick. And stick a bit more turmeric in there just to give it a nicer colour rather than it being all black and horrible. And keep stirring, stir them eggs as well. And next stick some tomatoes in there. They're going to give it a nice tangy flavour and make your gravy. And keep stirring them as well. Smash them up a bit. Be sure to add some more salt because, we love to have high blood pressure. Good bit of hypertension, of course. And also salt makes everything taste delicious, let's face it. So keep stirring the concoction now, making sure you don't let it burn, because like I said, burnt curry tastes horrible and it's going in the bin. And if you feel like, give it a shuffle as well, just to look cool. And you can see it's coming along nicely now. It's breaking all down. It's starting to look more like a curry. I mean, people, this is one of the easiest dishes to make. It really is. I mean, it's idiot proof. Add a bit more spice, of course, just for some extra flavour. A bit of water now, just so it breaks it up more and you get that sauce, you get that gravy. And like I said, this dish is idiot proof. Anyone with half a brain can make this. If you can't, then there's something wrong. You better just stick to eating beans on toast for the rest of your life. But yeah, looking good. Look at those eggs, they've got a nice colour as well. Add a bit more spice, give it another stir. Keep it going. And put the heat down to a very low simmer. And this should make the oil separate. And that there is your Burmese egg curry. Looks banging. Enjoy.